Meaning of fervidly.
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 Fervidly. Fervidly means with intense passion or enthusiasm. When someone does something fervidly, they put all their energy and emotion into it. This could result in impressive achievements or compelling performances, but it could also lead to burnout or excess. Fervidly can describe a wide range of activities, from sports and artistic pursuits to political activism or personal relationships. Overall, doing something fervidly means committing fully and passionately, which can yield both positive and negative outcomes depending on the situation.